Igor Grichanik here, senior trial attorney at the Barnes firm. I'm here to talk to you about what is an IME, independent medical exam, but this is strictly for car accident cases for no-fault IME exams. The point of a no-fault IME exam is for the insurance doctor to say that you're not injured. If you don't have anything broken, the way they could prove lack of injury or lack of serious injury under the law is by saying that although you may be hurt or though you may be injured, it does not qualify as a serious injury because you do not have a reduced range of motion. And that reduced range of motion must be proven in order to maintain a case that's a car accident case in New York. So how did they prove that it's not a serious injury? How did they prove that you have full range of motion? Well, it's very simple. First of all, they hire a doctor that they pay millions and millions of dollars, usually to a year. This doctor has 30, 40, 50 patients a day. You go to the doctor's office. First thing the doctor says, "Hi, how are you?" They're usually very nice. "Please have a seat, make yourself comfortable. How are you doing?" Usually say, "Oh, good, thank you." Well, that's a trick. Because what you just admitted to is that you're doing well, which means you're not injured. So in that report, the doctor will write no complaints of pain, no complaints of injuries. Second, the doctor will ask you, what hurts you? Let's say you say your neck hurts. The doctor will say, "Okay, let's put your neck down, back, left, right, this way, this way." What they're doing there is they want to see how much you can move your neck. You should only move your neck as much as you can without pain. Once you're feeling pain, tell the doctor, "Doctor, I'm feeling pain. It is hard for me to move more than this." Ask the doctor, "Don't you think it's from the accident? Especially if you've never had this problem before." Now, the doctor's not going to be happy with this. Next doctor will do is, they'll say, "Let me help you." So let's say you can only bend this much. The doctor will actually take their hand and bend your neck down, and let's say a full range of motion. Now, if your neck hurts, you could tell the doctor, "Doctor, that hurts, don't do that." Because as soon as the doctor does that, the doctor will write that you have full range of motion, even though they did it for you. Then, let's say you injured your shoulder. Doctor will say, "Well, please pick up your arm." Let's say you injured your shoulder, you need surgery, you cannot pick up more than this. Well, the doctor will then come in and say, "Well, let me help you. Let me see how you're doing. Let me help you." Really, that's what they usually say. And then lift it all the way up. You might be in great pain. You might need medication afterwards. The doctor will write full range of motion. So do not let the doctor do anything to you that causes you additional pain. Be verbal. Tell them, "Doctor, it hurts." The doctor may, if it's an older doctor especially, they might drop a piece of paper on the floor or a pen, and instinctually you might think to go and pick it up. Understand, the doctor does this on purpose. Let's say you bend down, you say your back or your neck hurts, that doctor will write full range of motion. These doctors are professional at making you do things that you don't even realize it. Or really professional at lying a lot of times. Same thing with the knee. They might ask you to sit down and outstretch your knee, but if your knee hurts, do only as much as you can without pain. And if you do have pain, tell the doctor, "Doctor, do you see, I cannot do, or I cannot lift, or I cannot bend more than this. Don't you think it's from the accident?" And if the doctor tries to do it for you and it hurts you, you gotta let the doctor know that they gotta stop. So take care of yourself. If you have any questions, call me 800-8 million, extension 588, or 917-981-0625.